Hello friends, how are you? Today we will attempt the daily current affairs quiz 5 and 6 December 2021. Let's start with the first question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the National Asset Reconstruction Company? Options are Pradeep Shah, Sanjay Jain, Naveen Gupta and Suraj Mishra. Correct answer for this question is Pradeep Shah. Key points about this question. Pradeep Shah has been appointed as the chairman of the National Asset Reconstruction Company. He is the founder of Ind-Asia Fund Advisors. He is credited for establishing India's first housing finance company, HDFC, and rating firm, CRISIL. Second question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Highways Authority of India in December 2021? Options are Renu Sharma, Alga Upadhyay, Upma Srivastava, Vinu Gupta. Correct answer for this question is Alka Upadhyay. Senior bureaucrat Alga Upadhyay has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Highways Authority of India. She is currently Additional Secretary, Department of Rural Development. Question 3. What is the theme for International Volunteer Day 2021? Options are Together We Can Through Volunteering, Volunteers Act First Here Everywhere, For an Inclusive Future, Volunteer Now for Our Common Future. Correct answer for this question is Volunteer Now for Our Common Future. Key points about this question are International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development is observed on December 5 every year. UN in Resolution 5217 of November 20, 1997 proclaimed the 2001 as the International Year of Volunteers. The theme for International Volunteer Day 2021 is Volunteer Now for Our Common Future. In December 2021, Alinsa Ash passed away. She was an options are director, cricketer, journalist, and judge. Correct answer for this question is cricketer. Alan Ash, the oldest living Test cricketer, passed away. She was from England, played for civil service women, male sex women. Ash played 7 Tests for England, also worked for MI6, the Secret Intelligence Service during World War II. Fifth question. Padma Shri awardee Vinod Dua passed away in December 2021. He was related to which profession? Options are dancer, journalist, actor, and music composer. Correct answer for this question is journalist. Veteran journalist Padma Shri awardee Vinod Dua passed away. He was a pioneer in broadcast Hindi journalism, worked with Doordarshan and NDTV. He was the first electronic media journalist to win the Ramnath Goenka Journalist Award in 1996. Question number 6. Which Indian American mathematician has won the Cyprian Fayes Award in December 2021? Options are Suraj Pandey. Option 2 is Nikhil Srivastava. Option 3 is Anup Pathak. Option D is Ravindran Jayakumar. Correct answer for this question is Nikhil Srivastava. Nikhil Srivastava has been jointly selected for the inaugural $5,000 Cyprian Fayes Prize. Along with Nikhil Srivastava, the 2 other awardees are Adam Marcus and Daniel Spielman. Prize was established in 2020 in memory of Cyprian Fayes, an influential scholar in operator theory and fluid mechanics. Question 7. Which state has become the first fully COVID-19 vaccinated state in India? Options are Tripura, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Goa. Correct answer for this question is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has become the first state to fully vaccinate 100% of its adult population. Himachal Pradesh was also the first state to achieve the 100% first dose. It was on this day in 1971 Himachal Pradesh became the 18th state of India. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jairam Thakur. Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. State animal snow leopard and state bird western tragopan. Lok Sabha seats in Himachal Pradesh are 4 and Rajya Sabha seats are 3. Question 8. 21st India-Russia Annual Summit will be held at which place in December 2021? Options are Moscow, New Delhi, Mumbai, St. Petersburg. Correct answer for this question is New Delhi. For attending the 21st India-Russia Annual Summit at New Delhi, Russian President Vladimir Putin will visit India. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Russian Foreign Affairs Minister Sergei Lavrov attended a bilateral meeting. After that, the inaugural 2+2 minister dialogue between the defense and foreign ministers of India and Russia was held. Question 9. What is the name of the deadly volcano that erupted on the Indonesian island of Java in December 2021? Options are Pavlov, Semeru, Kilauea, Mauna Loa. Correct answer for this question is Semeru. Semeru volcano on Indonesian island of Java erupted. Semeru is the tallest mountain on Java island. And Mauna Loa is the world's largest shield volcano, a gently sloping mountain produced from a large number of generally very few data flows. 10th question. What is the name of India's first biometrics-based digital processing system in airports? Options are Tech Yatra, Digi Yatra, Techno Boarding, Digi Boarding. Correct answer for this question is Digi Yatra. Minister of State for Civil Aviation V.K. Singh announced that the Airport Authority of India is working on the country's first facial recognition technology-based biometric boarding system. It is to be piloted for passengers at Varanasi, Pune, Kolkata and Vijayawada airports. This biometric boarding system is part of the first phase of Digi Yatra scheme. Let's discuss about the Digi Yatra initiative. The Digi Yatra initiative seeks to promote the paperless air travel. It is a biometrics-based digital processing system for passenger entry and related requirements. The system is set to be launched in early 2022. So friends, this was the current affairs quiz for 5 and 6 December 2021. This is our channel Study Square. Please subscribe for daily current affairs quiz and